morning, everybody. It's a beautiful, bright morning right after a snowstorm up here in New York. We got a few inches of snow last night, as you guys could see. But last night, I was out a little bit. I'm a little tired. Got my coffee. We're going to try and have a good day, get a big chunk of work done on the GLI's engine bay. I'm going to try and bring the camera around as much as possible, but I'm not sure how much I'm actually going to be able to do it because, like I said, the camera and filming slows down the process and I got to get a lot of work done. So if I feel like I am getting slowed down by filming, I'm going to put the camera down and then I'll just update you guys after. Yesterday I did take a troop over to Pennsylvania, 2.5 hours. I picked up a new bumper for the car because mine was shot, all the tabs are broken, and I picked up a hood, which you guys can only see the outline of because it's under the snow. The bumper came with the lip, but as you can see, the lip is kind of shot. So I kind of have a plan for that. What I'm going to probably do is I have my old lip, and the left side of my old lip is pretty good. The right side of the new lip is like perfect, so I might split them and fuse them together and make one perfect lip. It's possible. I might have my body guy do it. I don't think I'm capable, but that's an idea I got because I want to have the GLI lip on the car because it's like one of the nicest looking ones for it. But if not, maybe I'll just go with the 4Motion lip. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go drink my coffee, get some energy, and start working on the car. Alright, what's going on, guys? So it's a couple days later from the last time I was filming. You guys know, you just saw, and there was snow all over the ground. That's not the case 2 days later. Still have this stuff out here, haven't really touched it, but it's 75 degrees out now. That's New York for you. The weather doesn't like to cooperate, or that's probably anywhere. But I'm working on the car again today. Garage doors open. I am very close to being done. I'm in a pretty good mood because, one, it's beautiful out, and I've been getting a lot of work done. So let me update you guys on what I've been doing. So I'll get you guys in the loop. I don't know how clear it will be, but I got this whole top piece from here all the way over. That's basically done. This whole side is done. It's gonna get another paint, another coat of primer once it's all cleaned up. Got the corner all figured out. Like, as you can see, I got this little piece all smoothed out, or whatever you want to say. But yeah, it's looking really good. Right now I'm gonna start sanding some more. I gotta sand this, this, and a little bit more in there. And then this whole firewall is basically done. I'm gonna put a coat of paint on that as well. And then I just gotta work on this side. This needs a little more work. Not bad, but maybe a couple days worth. Once it's all painted, I could go ahead and lay my seam sealer in the little cracks that I need, smooth everything out, and then we'll be good to go. We're moving along. I think I got a few more days left for paint, or till paint, so we're getting there. It's almost done. So before I get to work on anything, I sold a few things. As you guys know, I was selling a bunch of stuff. So catch cans sold. My old coolant cap, the Porsche one, it's over there somewhere, that's sold. Injectors are pending sale. The old wheels I had are on a pending sale. My seats are still available if anybody wants them. So I still got some stuff for sale. Let me know if you guys want it. I'm on Burn All the Mark IVs. If you guys have a Mark IV, you know what that page is, or you should at least. But yeah, so I'm gonna package that stuff up right now, and then we'll get working on this. They're packed up. I guess it's pretty appropriate to put them in ECS shipping boxes. It's probably where the parts originally came from. But I'll print out labels for these in a little bit, and then I'm gonna obviously bring these to the post office. But now I guess I could start working on the car. Yay. Alright guys, so the video you guys just watched is going to be the last video of basically an update on the engine bay of the car. It's basically done. I'll give you guys a little view of what it is now, because what I did film was from a few weeks ago, so it could be a little old. I don't remember exactly, haven't edited the video yet, but that's gonna be it for the engine bay, and very proud to say that because I hated filming and working on it. It was just a pain in the ass. But here's what it looks like now. It looks really fucking good, as you guys can see. Maybe, but it's pretty much there, guys. A few little things I have to do, maybe like 1 day's worth of work. I'm just waiting for my painter to finish up a car that's in front of me right now. Once that car is done, my car goes in and we're all good to go. I did just buy a few minutes ago the new front bags for my car. Airlift Performance was having a deal, so why not buy them now? When they come in, I'll do an unboxing video or whatever we need to do with that, and an install video, so you guys can see how installing at least the suspension component of an airbag is almost identical to a coilover. That'd be something interesting you guys could see for any of you guys who don't know how bags work or what they are. I'll do that, and yeah, I've been messing with the car a little bit, trying to get the electronics to work, and they do work. It's just a matter of getting the juice from a battery. So one last thing I want to mention about the channel, I have been working with a few companies on partnerships. They look like they are going to fall through, and the reason I'm telling you is not only are they going to benefit me, but they are going to benefit you guys a lot. They are companies that make products for our cars, the Volkswagens, Audis, and pretty much any car in general. So keep an eye out for that. That's going to be something awesome for the channel. And I also didn't forget about the website that I'm making, so that's coming out soon, hopefully. It is a process, and I'm doing it on my own, so bear with me. But that's gonna have the whole build list of my car, how to build a car, basically not step by step, but a lot of good tips that will help you. And that's where I also will be selling my merch, I guess you could say. I'm probably gonna have stickers or whatever it is. It'll be available on that site probably around this show season, so you guys can rep whatever I put out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. You don't want to miss the build of this awesome GLI I got going on this garage right now. Like the video, and like I said, subscribe. Peace.
Okay, it's rap packed to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling. My phone off and she calling. I'm like, yeah.